Hi guys, I'm Caesar from production here at iCanvas, and I'm going to show you guys how to hang your art. You're going to need a hammer, tape measure, pencil, a level, and a drill. So first, I'm going to start off by taking out my art from the box. Place your art or any flat surface that you have on the wall, and with your level on top, make sure it's all leveled up. I do want to draw a line to know where I'm going to put my screws. All right, I'll bring my art down. We're gonna grab these art hanging kits, which is screws and 2 anchors. I'm gonna drill a small hole because we're going to hammer in the anchors. Just be careful with your fingers. Make sure it's all the way in and flush and flat, just like that. Now you grab your second anchor and you move on with that one. Same deal. You grab your screws, start with the first one. You put it into the anchor, not all the way in, but about an inch or a little less out of the wall. Same thing with the second one. You proceed about an inch or so as well. Before I want to hang it, I want to make sure it's nice and tight. They all come with the stretcher keys right here in every corner. Now you grab your hammer, make sure it's nice and tight. Now, time to hang the image. All right, make sure you grab both screws. And there's my art.